Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you sign up on Sweat Wallet. So first of all, you need to know that you can only log in or sign up on that account once you have a sweatcoin account. So first of all, you have to create a sweatcoin account. After that, what you have to do is that go to your Sweat Wallet application. Now, click on login with sweatcoin. Click on opt into crypto. Now you have to click on next for multiple times. Again click on opt in now. So now you have to confirm your email. You have to enter that email that you used in your Sweatcoin account. So now wait for the confirmation code and then enter it on your device. So now you have to click on open Sweat Wallet. Again click on login with Sweatcoin. So now from here, you have to click on the option that says approve login. One thing that you must keep in mind is that you can only create that account on Sweat Wallet once you have already covered a few steps on your application. If you haven't done that yet, you cannot create your account. So that's all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.